right, again, when we started at 4:30 this morning, temperatures were upper 30s to near 40 degrees northwest Arkansas. We're falling by 8, 9 o'clock when we're expecting the snow band that's just out towards the west to be moving in. We should be closer to maybe as low as 32, likely 33, 34, maybe 35 degrees, and that will help with those snow chances even more. Similar to the temperature profile that we saw on Friday. Most of the area Friday when the snow was coming down was 32 to 34 degrees. So we're going to continue to fall. High temperatures for today have already been set. We're down into more of the mid to upper 30s in the River Valley. At 4:30, we still saw plenty of lower 40s around Fort Smith and Van Buren. So we've come down there. Wind chills continue to fall as the winds are picking up. Another windy day. So many layers to this storm system here. A lot to cover. Here we go. This is the main energy. This is our upper level low. It's going to start to turn off towards the northeast into Missouri. We're going to be on the southern end of a band of snow, but we're going to get some energy down here. We're going to get some flurries south of I-40. Best chance for more steady snow off and on at times and better accumulations, Boston Mountains north, just because we're going to be closer to this low as it turns to the northeast. So that's what we've got to watch. Again, that band, there it is. It was hiding behind that low. It's just pushed through the Tulsa area, saw some accumulation there. It's going to continue eastward. It's overall light to moderate, but I think we could see, before it's all said and done here in the next few hours, maybe some bursts of heavier snow. In northwest Arkansas, Bentonville, Bella Vista, Pea Ridge into Missouri has the best chance for some of those heavier bursts. I think a lot of us are going to see light to moderate snow. And then again, some rain, mostly rain, River Valley South. That's good news. So as you're heading out, you've got slick roads. Give yourself some extra time. We've seen plenty of rainy mornings get sloppy outside and have plenty of accidents and slowdowns just because of rain. So we've got that out there. We've had off and on showers the last few hours, so we've got plenty of water on the roads right now. We'll have to watch it as temperatures continue to fall closer to freezing in spots later this morning into the afternoon. We've got some drizzle. We've got some rain. We've got flurries out there right now across northwest Arkansas, some of it not showing up on radar. Steadier snow moving into Delaware and Adair counties of Oklahoma. We're going to see mostly rain, snowflakes mixed in. Going to be hard to come across accumulations. I've still got a dusting in spots down here, mainly for the ridges, but I think along the Arkansas River, along I-40, we may overall, it may be scarce to try to see any accumulation on some grass. I think we're just going to stay wet. Temperatures are going to be a little too warm, and we're going to see more rain mixing in. Future Track Radar doing a good job. We've got the light precipitation now. Here comes that band. That main energy wants to continue north with maybe some heavier bursts. By this afternoon, though, I think we're looking at some lingering light snow. It may be blowing around with some of these winds, but you see temperatures continuing to fall. Some flurries and raindrops, I-40 south. Right now, not expecting any issues. That's why we have the winter weather advisories for the Boston Mountains north, because we have a better chance for slick spots the further north you go up I-49 into Missouri. Again, as I mentioned, wind chill, a part of the story today. It would be wrong of me not to mention these. Again, with the potential of being a slick spot, we saw cars off the roads and people stranded on Friday. You can't rule that out today as some of that snow comes in. So if you're going to be out and about, make sure you dress properly. Wind chills are going to continue to fall into the teens, northwest Arkansas teens and 20s in the River Valley, and then winds will start to lighten up as we go into the evening hours. Winds today sustained 20 to 30, gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour, similar to yesterday. Updated it, I think Boston Mountains north, not everyone's going to see 2 inches, but I think it's possible. Dusting up to 2 inches and maybe even better chances for those 2 inches closer to the Arkansas-Missouri state line, and then maybe the higher elevations of the Boston Mountains in between there, dusting to 1 inch. I've got a dusting in spots. You see the ripples there, the higher elevations. Can't rule out a dusting there. Along the Arkansas River, probably just not going to see a whole lot there. Here we go, looking at your 7-day forecast. Again, a break on Wednesday, Thursday. Next storm system with the chance of a wintry mix comes in on Friday. And then a stronger storm system with a blast of true Arctic air comes in on Sunday. And we're looking at, again, a couple days in a row of temperatures below zero overnight for northwest Arkansas. Single-digit temperatures possible in the River Valley for a few days. We could go a couple days in a row where a good portion of 5 country doesn't get above freezing, and even parts of northwest Arkansas could potentially go 3-4 days without getting above freezing. I want to say this last thing right here. I've thrown a lot at you. Friday, we started out with dry roads, and as the snowflakes landed, that was more conducive for them to stick and accumulate a little bit more.
Right.
The wet roads this morning could work in our favor. Water and snowflakes do not mix. Now, I'm not saying just go out there and drive around fast as temperatures get below freezing, but I think that the rain and the water on the roads will help melt snowflakes for us.
That is good news right